All right. So this little microphone. Um, here's the box. All right. Come on, focus, please. What I don't like about it is the DSP intelligent noise reduction. If it didn't have noise reduction, it would be better. Um, so when I plugged it into my PC, right, it does come with a mic cover. Tiny, tiny, tiny. See? Um, like so, and see that? See that? Yep. I did something to it. I made sure that I was upright facing me because my last microphone like this, the uh microphone was like not even facing. It was fucking sideways. Also, if I go to the microphone properties, the microphone volume was 92%, and then there's this AGC, which is off right now, and turn it on. It's just a check mark on and off. So that's 40%. I do have the microphone volume boosted because this thing is a little quiet though. That's all I have. All I do is I have a 7.5 plus gain on OBS because if if I go here and go to uh bro, hold. 0 0.00. This is what it sounds like. So I just oh shit. Oh no. What is happening? Anyway, so what I do is I go like this and go to 7.5 plus, and so this is my cover. It's bigger than it, and I just put it on it, and it looks like this. And the format is one channel, 16-bit, 48,000 hertz DVD quality. And then I turned off exclusive mode. So yeah. So yeah. Also, you can do this. Clip it. See the clip? If it wants to focus. You can change it. Change however you want the clip to be. I have it this way, if that's how it came. Uh, and sometimes my shirt. So, So one microphone, one clip, one USB-C receiver, one USB-C charging cable, one lightning adapter, which is right here, and one manual. So, and then on this side, specifications. I don't know if it's going to focus. I might have to do. Ah, it did. So that's the microphone. So yeah, got it at showcase, and then I got this cable. You know what? I'm turning this off, or just the strength down. Just gonna turn it off completely. So this cable, the iHome, bruh, what the fuck? And the encoder's overloaded, but it's not. My oh my yeah, that's shit. That is. Uh Let me just turn this back on a little bit. So I'm gonna switch microphones to this one, and let me boop, turn off listen to this device, and properties, and stealth pro, and launch the app, launch the Turtle Beach app, because I have to turn up the microphone again. Now just turn this off. Now this is off, and I can unplug the. This is the best little adapter that I got at the dollar store. It's a USB-C to Lightning. It's a USB-C to Lightning. The fuck. It's a USB-C to USB adapter, and I use this to charge my phone with any charger block. So yeah. Okay, equalizer, microphone, equalizer, off, on. Microphone EQ is all on now. It always goes down. It's so annoying. But anyway, uh, yeah. These headphones are pretty good. Kind of wish I didn't update them because. And with my phone here, my 16 Pro Max, jeez, I don't want to break this. The receiver for it also, you can charge your phone with USB-C. I have to take my case off to plug this in. I have the OtterBox Defender XT, the same case as my 14 Pro Max. So, I mean, with this extension, you can use any case would work because it like extends this so it won't hit the bottom of your phone with the case. So I had to take my case off with the receiver, but it's fine. But nothing is going to beat the quality of this microphone. Give me a second. Give me a second. Alright, so you hear this microphone, right? And boom! So now I can flip that up. What mic mode is it on? I think it's on cardioid. I have to check the levels too. Okay, it's at 100 and it's maximum 2 channel 16-bit 48,000 hertz DVD quality. So I can actually put this to the lowest quality. And this is the lowest quality for the microphone. Whoa. What the fuck just happened? Why is it only one channel?
That's weird.
Okay, that was very weird. It was only one channel for some reason. Very, very odd. But this is what it sounds like. Now I can go to the HyperX app. Microphone. Cardioid. So there's bidirectional, cardioid, omni, and my favorite one is stereo audio. Now I do have a filter, 3-band equalizer. Turn that on. Good. And OBS just updated, so yeah. This is what I usually leave it on. Let me I'm trying to position the microphone so it's even levels. It's is it more on this side? Trying to even it out, you know. But yeah, you get the point. For that little microphone, it's not that bad. It's pretty good. So yeah, all right, that's it for now. Peace. Kind of a long video for just microphone, but yeah, all right, peace.